Hi, I'm Johnny from MintTwist, and for this Mint tip, I want to share with you 2 ways that you can optimize your Facebook ads. Number one is take your traffic ads. Now, a traffic ad is essentially an advert that's built to direct traffic to a specific website. Now, if you're using traffic ads, I would recommend that you optimize them for landing page views and not link clicks. Now, if you're optimizing them for link clicks, that means your traffic optimization is based on anyone that clicks on your advert, and they don't necessarily optimize it for people that land on the website you want them to visit. So we like to optimize for landing page views, so we are only considering traffic that made it through to the website. Now, this is seriously important nowadays because over 50% of people that visit through a mobile phone will abandon if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. Without further ado, I'm going to quickly show you how you can do that on the Ads Manager. Okay, so we're going to jump into the Ads Manager. Now, in order to optimize these traffic ads for landing page views, I've gone ahead and created a campaign already, and I'm going to select the objective traffic, and that's going to open up this section here. For now, we'll just call this dummy campaign. Click continue and go into your ad set level. Now, once you've filled out your targeting, your placements and your budget, at the bottom of budget, you'll see this show advanced options. A lot of people overlook this. Now, it's important to look at this because this is where you can optimize your ad delivery. And we're going to select this button here that says link clicks, and we're going to click landing page views instead. And now, once we create this ad and it goes live, Facebook will optimize it based on people that have landed on the website itself and not consider those that have abandoned the ad or the website before it's loaded. Now, for tip number 2, I want to talk about something that's frequently overlooked when it comes to Facebook marketing, and that is to keep the frequency of your ads low and the relevancy score high. Now, as the Facebook newsfeed becomes more and more saturated with ads and the bids become more expensive, it's really important to pay attention to your relevancy score and the frequency. Now, in order to keep your relevancy score high, you want your ad creative and your campaigns to be as engaging as possible. So you want lots of shares, lots of saves, lots of likes, lots of comments. So pay close attention to the ad itself and try to make it really engaging and really nice. Now, when it comes to frequency, now your frequency could be as high as 20. I've even seen it in the 30s before, and it could be as low as 1 or 2, and that's kind of the optimal number. 2 is a really good number. That would mean that the average person is seeing your ad twice. If they're seeing it maybe 6 to 10 times, it's pretty safe to say that the audience you're targeting is too small because Facebook is showing the ad to the same person over and over again. And if they're seeing it that many times and perhaps they're not converting, it's probably that the ad is starting to become cold and the audience that you're showing it to could be potentially bored of those ads. So pay close attention to your relevancy score and also your frequency.